That's what happened in the first set as we welcome you to our second set, which is just about to begin. The attacks, look at that. FEU even had more attacks, but the errors. Ano, ha?
But look at the errors. It's 11 errors for FEU as compared to only 4 of the Lady Alta. So, ang laking bagay nun if, FEU would review their stats, they would see that they actually gave away a lot of the points to Perpetual.
As we welcome you to our new home here on Active, you're going to see the Shakey's V-League here on the same day basis most of the time, except for our Sunday games, which will be aired on a Monday schedule. Glad to have all of you, and we are so happy that we found a place here in Active. 1-0 here. If you're at FEU and you're Ness, Coach Ness, what are the things that you should sort of adjust with here in the second set? I think one of them is to go a little more to your Thai import.
Well, that's right, because in the first set we didn't see much of the sets being given to her. But I think if there's anything, they're doing well in terms of attacks. That's what we've seen in the statistics earlier. Mas marami pa nga in fact yung magandang atake nila over the Lady Altas. But it was really the number of errors that they committed in the first set. So if there's anything I would correct, that would be it.
Vargas and San Soriang are in the front row, and Agno is out of position. That is out of reach.
For FEU also, they should be mindful of the score.
And don't forget that for Fun Family Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Capriana will be serving into the net.
For FEU, these errors, of course, are always welcome.
Of course, with the way they played with those 11 errors in the first set, they'll take any point at this juncture. Sanor Seang with a serve. Cabriana, set up job. Portimol dinking it over. There's a battle at the net. Baniel doing so as well. Portimol will heave it. The first time you play volleyball, you usually play it that way. Vargas is rejected. FEU going in front, 3-2. First taste of the lead actually by the Lady Tams, but I think what happened
was a point for the Lady Altas.
Oh, so I checked myself, it's 3-2, and that serve. We're having a lot of service errors in this game, huh? We're now tied at 3. Mikasa is our official ball here in the Shakey's V-League. We got Vargas all set to serve. Sometimes, those service errors are nervous.
And you're all alone there, and the pressure for you to keep the ball alive and bring it over. Ayan, it's an exchange. Kanina, it was an exchange of service error going straight into the net. But this time around, it's different. Palakasan.
Oh, Vargas committing the error. Is it sometimes sobra adrenaline mo?
Sobrang adrenaline.
Of a play, no? Kung minsan naka-score ka maganda, then you're still breathing hard and you're pumping energy. Kung minsan lumalakas yung serve o hindi mo tinatamaan ng eksakto eh.
Because you know what, one important thing when you're serving is control. There is a technique, there is a way for you to still have a sharp, strong serve. At the same time, pasok pa rin siya. So, it's really full concentration.
So those of you who play this game, especially at the high school level, don't mess around with those service practice drills. They will keep you in good stead when you get to the college level and when you get to the B-League. Meanwhile, Sartin says, thank you for the early present. That is a wide hole in that row. As we remind you about Axel being our official outfitter here in the B-League. 5-4, Perpetual is in front. Portimol just above the net. Agno got to it. C, set up job. Manzano. Jen shot is easily taken care of. Sartin, a bundle of energy.
That was obviously too low for Eulalio.
Sometimes when you say it in Filipino, it's more swak. Agigil, agigil eh.
No, and
Sobre.
Yun yung sinasabi rin natin, no? Kaya critical yung position ng center spiker. Normally, kailangan yung set sa'yo eksakto.
Oo.
Because you have very little time to adjust because the sets are low.
It's really a commitment, and that you just perfect by practice. So, been taking care of business there.
Everything is really going well right now for the Lady Altas.
Look at what Tubino rather did in this one. I love this move because you take a Facebook picture of that side and it's so open and your body just knows what to do. Oh, well done.
Celsi doing her own version, taking matters into her own hands.
Coach Ness is really coaching hard. He doesn't want to fall behind by 2 sets here, actually. As Mamilare, familiar face along the FEU sideline. Meanwhile, this is 8-5 now as Perpetual hits the technical timeout level. First, we'll be back with your Shakey's B-League after this.